It's a windy day down here at Clarence Pier, and it's our first look for the new season in 2025. We're not going to do any riding today because we'll come back when it's a little bit sunnier. But as you can see, ride line up down this side hasn't changed too much. We've got the house down the back along with the dodgems, the seals, the little bugs, and of course the Tidal Wave coaster. Still in situ, although rumoured to be going at some point, was the Canyon River and the Mad Mouse coaster. You can check back on our channel if you want to see a real in-depth look at that Mad Mouse coaster. With carousel here, and as we pan around, of course, the teacups. A nice selection of rides for the family, in fairness. But there are a couple of new rides, and of course a couple of absentees from last year's lineup, which we'll have a look at shortly. I do still love the attention to detail actually on some of this, Cody. It's quite nice, isn't it? It is quite nice. And the Mad Mouse here, ready to go. So it is quite windy today. I think it will be open, but there's not many people down here at the moment. It is quite early on in the morning. Now, of course, the Twister with its gorgeous lighting package, and it does have a gorgeous lighting package, is ready to roll and looking better than ever for the brand new season. As to the Waltzer, we've had some good spins on this Waltzer, Cod.
Yeah.
Some good spins on this Waltzer. No lights on today, which is a bit of a shame. But again, a lovely Waltzer, especially given the age of it. Now, there was Tornado here last year, the Freak Out, and a Super Trooper as well. Well, they've got more family route this year with those two thrill rides being removed, and they've been replaced with these. Now, those in Portsmouth or that visit Portsmouth may notice this big wheel. This was actually at the market down in Gunwharf for the Christmas period, and that is a lovely example big wheel. Really, really is beautiful. And that sits proudly at the front here to give some views over Portsmouth and the fair. And then over the back where the Freak Out was last year, we have a Runaway Train for the young thrill seekers that'll be coming up. Bungees have returned there down this end. And again, this is a lovely example. It really, really is. And will be great for the little people. So yes, slight change in direction this year. We're going to wait until a sunny day before we come back and ride anything, but we wanted to show you what was here for this year. And indeed what it all looks like. There we go, Clarence Pier, a bit of a mixture of everything. Both coasters have returned for this year in Tidal Wave and the Mad Mouse. We've still got the Log Flume as well for when it gets warm. Twister, Waltzer, dodgems, and then a host of family children's rides as well. As we said, when it gets a bit warmer, we'll come down. It is really windy here today, so it's definitely not one for today, but we wanted to come down and check them out and then let you know the prices. So they are still doing the super bag of tokens, which is 50 tokens for £25. Just to give you an idea, the big rides are 4 tokens. I think the coasters are 4 tokens. Coasters are 5 tokens, sorry. So 2 coasters are 5 tokens. These ones are 4 tokens at the front. You can get a day rider wristband, which is £30 this year between 12 and 5, and they do a 10 ride availability, 5 p.m. till close during the summer for £15. Now again, you know, places like Chessington are only opening today for the first time, and of course Clarence Pier has been open since the beginning of March. So not all the parks are open yet, but Clarence are settling in quite nicely, ready for the 2025 season.